back again. So I'm eating breakfast, which is ackee and saltfish and crackers. So I don't eat bread. So I've been watching this Netflix series called Unorthodox. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm just waiting till 11 to leave. And that's basically all I have to say.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. No. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is inner versions on replay and sit right next to you. You. I try not to show how I feel about you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, around.
Well, guys, this is it. It's been a good run. Hey guys, so today on my channel I'm gonna teach you or show you guys how I make my strawberry banana smoothie. So this is frozen strawberry and this is the Utopia
Could I hold it for you?
Utopia blender thingy.
Could I open it for you?
Okay, so this is the banana. It's really old or whatever. So just gonna cut it.
Dina, you have to say you're making a smoothie.
Yeah, I told them already.
Okay. And did you did the intros?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tell them who's behind the camera.
It's Stephanie Walters.
Wow. Superstar. Right?
Yeah. I love to be a vlogger
Yeah.
one day. That looking good, you know.
Thanks, sis.
That will be nice and good.
Mhm. Okay, so the strawberry, the banana.
Anybody would drink that. You should make that more often, those.
Okay.
So we're back. We're going to add syrup
Mhm.
into the smoothie, and then we're going to do a taste test. Then could I be the taste test?
Mhm.
And
A little
water.
water.
And I love to drink some water because it's favorite, but I like cold water in the bed. Now it's ready to blend. So we're the smoothie looks like it's coming out of,
It looks a little watery.
yeah.
Okay, what just happened?
Don't know if I like it. Not right.
Tastes good.
Me, I drink half the whole thing. It's very good. You should.
Roar. I am here to take back my kingdom. Ooh. Cooking lobster for the first time. So this is the head part, and so it's 2 pieces. So this is the tail, and why have I look at this? It just look weird, but I'm hoping to do like garlic lobster. So my garlic here. I'll listen, I'm gonna need more, but so yeah, I'm using vinegar, water, lime. This is my, marinated lobster. All that good stuff. And so I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna prepare it. Just gonna let it marinate for a little bit. And then when I'm actually cooking it, I'm gonna put this in the pot now. This is the finished product. I'm gonna taste it soon and let you guys know. Got that chicken as well. No fish today, but yeah. So chicken leg, garlic lobster, white rice. That's it. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to subscribe.